Namaste, my friends. Hello, and welcome to day 21. It's officially 3 weeks that we've been planting seeds to manifest our intention. I hope you're having a beautiful time and enjoying the diversity of different practices. Today, we're going to be exploring one of my favorite breathing techniques for really grounding and centering the mind. This is the perfect one if we're ever feeling a little bit agitated, a little bit frustrated, confused, anxious, anything where the mind needs some stability. This is the perfect one. You can do it anytime, day or night. So it's a beautiful practice to keep in the back pocket whenever you need it. And it's also great to prepare us for meditation because it really stabilizes the mind. Okay, if that sounds good for you, grab your yoga mat. Let's get ready to practice together. Beautiful. Let's get ready to set the space to turn inside. So find your comfortable seated position, pressing the seat down, reaching the crown of the head up. Roll the shoulders back and down so the heart is open, soft and relaxed. Then close the eyes, turn inside, and take a deep inhalation through the nose. Open the mouth inside out. Soften the body, soften the mind. Again, deep inhalation. Open the mouth side out. Appreciating those vibrations in the nervous system. One more time, deep inhalation. Side out. And sitting with the eyes closed. Attention turned inside. Notice where you are now. In your body, energy, emotions, and mind. Appreciating and allowing whatever is there. No need to change it, just being present. What a gift to be present. And from this space of presence, allowing, accepting, I invite you to bring your hands together in front of the heart. Drop your awareness down into the heart center and start to manifest your intention. Make it clear in your mind. Feel it in your body, your energy, your emotions. Realize your intention as true and valid right now. And when your intention is crystallized in the heart, take a deep inhalation. Hold the breath and infuse this intention with all your prana. Focus in the center of the chest. And then let it go. Beautiful. So the practice we're going to be doing today to really ground and center the mind is known as Sama Vritti Pranayama. Vritti means fluctuation or movement, and Sama means same. So this is the breath of the same movement. In English, we call it the square pranayama because we're going to be breathing in a square-like pattern, which means all four parts of the breath, the inhalation, inner retention, exhalation, outer retention, will all be the same duration. So we will inhale for a count of 4. We will hold the breath for a count of 4. We will exhale for a count of 4. And we will hold the breath out for a count of 4. Having all four parts of the breath the same duration is really stabilizing, is really relaxing and calming for the mind. This is why it's really good if we're ever kind of flustered or cluttered or anxious or anything, because it can really bring us back. I know if Clelly ever wakes up in the middle of the night and she has trouble going back to sleep, she tells me she always does this, and in just a couple minutes she's sleeping. In fact, the only recommendation or precaution with this practice is that we want to stay conscious. We want to stay present as we're doing this breathing. It can be so relaxing that we can kind of start to nod out. So make this intention as well, that you're going to stay present, awake, and conscious throughout this breathing technique. We're going to be using a metronome to assist us. It's going to sound like this. So I've got it on a bit of a slower rhythm because we want to breathe really slow, really calm. I recommend counting to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2. So we're going to be breathing really slowly. This is really helping us to calm and go into the nervous system. That being said, if 4 seems like I cannot inhale for that duration, or I cannot hold the breath for that duration, if there's any challenge, drop it down to 3. Do 3, 3, 3, 3. So as long as it's even, you're doing the square pranayama. If 3 is still too much, you can do 2. If you want to go longer and you want to do 5 or 6, it's completely up to you. But the recommending starting point I give to people is 4. I will guide the first couple rounds and then I'll let you continue on your own. Okay, we're going to be doing this for 8 minutes to really have an opportunity to go into the practice and really experience that stabilizing and grounding of the mind. So make yourself comfortable so that you can sit for 8 minutes. We will begin with 3 ventilation breaths just to really purge the lungs. So deep inhalation through the nose, forceful exhalation through the mouth. 2 more like that. In, out. 1 more, in, out. All the breathing is through the nose. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, and continue on your own. Return to normal breathing. Sitting with the eyes closed, attention turned inside. Feeling the stabilizing and grounding of the mind. A deep sense of calm, peace, inner relaxation. A sense of stability and grounding, belonging, and self-love. From this space, I invite you to bring the right hand on top of the chest, left hand over right, dropping down into the heart center, offering yourself gratitude, saying thank you for taking care of me. Thank you for being there for me, for encouraging me, for loving me, for helping me to grow stronger every day. I'm so glad to have your support in this life. I love you. Beautiful. Take a deep inhalation into the heart. And as you exhale, gently coming back so that I can express my gratitude to you for joining me for another practice. Hope you enjoyed. I hope you hit the like button for me and let me know in the comment section below how it was for you. I send you so much love and appreciation, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Namaste.